Hello and welcome back to The Bridge. One of the motivating factors in creating this suite of software is to close the OODA loop on development. I feel that that is something that has not received enough attention in the last few decades. This is something that Lisps and Smalltalks and also Forths paid a great deal of attention to. And this is the major source of the longing for a better world that is often felt by practitioners from those languages. So we have Helm, and Helm is a decent REPL by 2020 standards. It has a long way to go. It is barely acceptable REPL by Lisp standards. A Lisp REPL serves as a console. You make changes to the code and they are simply available inside the system. There is a tight feedback loop, and this is something we are working on. Orb currently offers a server, which will automatically compile things anytime they are saved. And we have a restart system in Helm, so you just hit a key and you get your session rerun. There are some issues with how it's being done, which mostly center around require. So require is a system that primarily exists to make sure that when you import something, you import it exactly once, which is normally what you want. As a consequence of this, if you want to require something a second time, you have to invalidate the cache. Always fun. And what we're currently doing is no longer working. We just take a snapshot of the package loaded and remove anything new that was added, which is interfering with another little affordance I added, which makes sure that things are uniquely imported by hash rather than by string, because there are several ways to refer to a given module now. So what we are going to do next is instrument require, so that the require that is used in the REPL will make note of everything which has been required and then can be told that it's doing a restart, so that the next time it is called, it will invalidate and actually re-import everything. And then the last step much later, once we have added 0MQ, is to hook up the Orb server to Helm, so that anytime anything changes in Orb, Helm is told to restart. And that will close the OODA loop. You'll just have your Orb server running and your REPL, and you will be able to edit the code and the changes will show up, and you can just scroll up and down, make new statements, and then save the entire thing as a session so that you have a unit test for whatever work you've been doing. So that's the goal, and now it's time to get on to it.